Is it good?
I love it.
Is that good?
I love it.
Yum.
I have one.
You're doing better than Liam did. Yum, yum, yum. You can have some of it, okay? And here we go, Lily. Ah. Is that good? Is that good, Aurelia? You can have some a little bit. Okay? Is that good? You're doing good. Is it good? Oh, you like sweet potatoes, huh? Okay, it's my first food. She's taking the spoon from me. Is that good? Mmm. That's good, huh? Okay. My brother did not like when we first started eating. Here. Want another one? Here. Hey, wait, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. One second, Liam. That's good, huh? Is it good? Yeah, that's good. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Yummy. That's good, huh? That's good. Is that good? Is that good? You're doing good. Yeah, that's good, huh? Oh. Can I have the spoon back? Can I have the spoon back? You want some more? You want it?
Did he just go? That's funny.
You like it, huh? It's good.
I like that
Is
tomato.
it good?
That's good tomato.
You're doing good, Aurelia. You're doing
That's
good.
good tomato. That's good tomato, Mama. Thanks, Mama. Thanks, Mama.
That good? Is it good? Yeah. Is that good? Is it good?